So while you are installing the cabinet, there was a whole lines of drawers, like here, 1, 2, 3 rows of drawers. Then you can start either from the left side or the right side. First install the bottom drawer, middle one, and the top one, and make sure that all other drawers are following the same gap. So when there's doors and drawers sitting together, first install the bottom drawer. Make sure the bottom of the drawer is in line with the doors. Then install the top drawer. Make sure the top of the drawer is in line with the door as well. Last is install the middle drawer.